When it comes to home improvements, few upgrades offer as much return on investment as energy-efficient windows. For Fayetteville homeowners, these modern window solutions do more than just cut utility bills, they also significantly enhance property value. In today's competitive housing market, buyers are increasingly seeking homes that balance comfort, style, and sustainability. Installing energy-efficient windows checks all those boxes while delivering lasting neighborhood appeal. Lower energy bills, higher buyer appeal. One of the most immediate benefits of energy-efficient windows is reduced energy consumption. Fayetteville's hot summers and cool winters often cause older, drafty windows to strain HVAC systems, driving up costs. By contrast, modern windows with double or triple panes, low-E coatings, and insulated frames keep indoor temperatures stable. For potential buyers, lower monthly utility costs are a huge incentive. Many buyers today actively look for eco-conscious features, and energy-efficient windows stand out as a must-have. When your home promises not only comfort but also lower expenses, its market appeal increases substantially. Improved curb appeal and neighborhood standards. Curb appeal remains one of the most powerful drivers of property value. Energy-efficient windows come in a wide range of styles: casement, double-hung, slider, and bay windows that enhance a home's architecture. Updated windows make a property look fresh, well-maintained, and modern, creating a positive impression even before buyers step inside. In Fayetteville neighborhoods, when one home upgrades its windows, it often sparks interest from surrounding homeowners to follow suit. This domino effect elevates the overall visual appeal of the area, boosting neighborhood desirability. A well-maintained neighborhood with energy-efficient homes tends to command higher real estate values across the board. Noise reduction. For a quieter lifestyle beyond aesthetics and energy savings, energy-efficient windows add another layer of comfort: noise reduction. With Fayetteville's mix of suburban neighborhoods and busy streets, sound insulation can be a major selling point. Double and triple pane windows minimize outside noise, creating a peaceful indoor environment. For buyers with families, remote workers, or anyone valuing tranquility, quieter living conditions make a home more attractive. In turn, this feature raises a property's competitive edge in the market. Increased durability and low maintenance. Older windows often require frequent painting, repairs, and weatherproofing. Energy-efficient windows, on the other hand, are designed with advanced materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or composite frames that resist warping, rotting, and fading. These materials extend the lifespan of windows while cutting down on long-term maintenance costs. When buyers see that they won't need to invest in window replacements anytime soon, it becomes a strong selling advantage. Low maintenance features are particularly appealing to first-time buyers and busy families who want modern conveniences without ongoing headaches. Alignment with modern green living. Fayetteville residents are becoming increasingly mindful of sustainable living. By investing in energy-efficient windows, homeowners not only lower their personal carbon footprint but also contribute to a broader eco-conscious community culture. Neighborhoods with a high concentration of eco-friendly upgrades are perceived as forward-thinking and desirable. This perception alone can elevate property demand and boost values throughout the area. For buyers, choosing a home with green features like energy-efficient windows reflects both personal responsibility and smart financial decision-making. Strong return on investment. According to real estate professionals, energy-efficient windows can return up to 70 to 80% of their cost upon resale. While the exact ROI depends on factors such as window type, home size, and neighborhood trends, one fact remains consistent: upgraded windows rank among the top improvements that attract motivated buyers. In Fayetteville, where seasonal climate shifts make energy efficiency especially valuable, this ROI is even more pronounced. A home equipped with new windows often sells faster and at a higher price compared to similar properties without upgrades. Conclusion: a smart choice for Fayetteville homeowners. Energy-efficient windows are more than just a home improvement. They're a property value booster, a comfort enhancer, and a neighborhood trendsetter. For Fayetteville homeowners looking to increase their home's appeal while enjoying immediate savings, upgrading windows is one of the smartest investments available. By lowering energy bills, improving aesthetics, reducing noise, and aligning with sustainable living, energy-efficient windows make a home more desirable. In competitive local neighborhoods, they provide the edge homeowners need to stand out and secure long-term value.